Hey guys, here's a strategy for learning your 3 times tables. Any number multiplied by 3, I multiply by 2 and add another group. So when I see the multiplication number sentence 3 times 5, I think to myself, what is 2 times 5? Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and then I add one more group. So what is 1 times 5? Okay, 1 times 5 is 5, so 10 plus 5 must equal 15. If we look at the way that we're breaking apart our array, we are saying to ourselves, what is 2 groups of 5? And then what is 1 group of 5? So we know that 2 groups plus 1 group is 3 groups. 3 groups of 5. So when I think to myself, when I'm multiplying by 3s, I think to myself, what is it? What is my number sentence when I multiply it by 2? And then I add another group. When we are multiplying numbers by 4, we can see that 4 times 3 is the same as saying 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3, because we know that 2 groups plus 2 groups is the same as 4 groups. So 4 groups of 3 is equal to 12, but we also know that 2 times 3 is 6, and another 2 groups of 3 is 6. And we can see that 6 plus 6 is the same as 12. In summary, when I'm multiplying by 4, I say to myself, double 3 is 6, and double 6 is 12. This is the strategy of performing a double-double. Double 3 is 6, double 6 is 12. 4 groups of 3 is 12. A simple strategy for knowing your 11 times tables is this. Any number multiplied by 11, we switch the digits. If we have a look at the number sentences provided, we can see that 2 times 11 is 22. I've switched out the 11s for 2s and I've said 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44. 5 times 11 is 55. This strategy works all the way up to 9 times 11, which equals 99. After that, 10 times 11, 11 times 11, and 12 times 11, the strategy doesn't work. So when I'm saying 10 times 11, when I look at 10 times 11, I just think about my 10 strategy that I learned in another video. I say to myself, I have 11 and I add the 0. 10 times 11 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121, and 12 times 11 is 132. When we're trying to work out 11 times 11, we can use our strategy that we learnt in our 3 times tables by saying what is one more group of 11 more than 10 times 11.